largest pipeline operators since we invented the revolutionary cold cutting travel cutter in 1949. Today, it remains a popular choice worldwide due to its simple milling head that simultaneously cuts and doubles. Like all Wachs machines, it uses a cold cutting machining method preferable to hot torch cutting and grinding, particularly where volatile hydrocarbons are present. Representing the latest technology, our advanced line of split frame clamshell style tools utilize lathe machining to quickly cut and bevel in one operation. Wachs offers split frames that cover 2-inch to 72-inch OD and are ideal for making the money cut. Wachs equipment is designed to make your welding operation more efficient by delivering precision weld preps.